there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
POCO recently released a Season 2 teaser video from their official Twitter handle that gives us a glimpse of the innovative steps the company took for the POCO F1, and they are set to take those steps again. This tweet came after it was officially announced that POCO will now be a separate brand, and will handle all of its operations, research, and development independently of Xiaomi. In fact, today, we have reported a leaked image that has surfaced the internet that showcases the CPU specifications of the alleged POCO F2 device running Android 10. For the past couple of months, POCO fans have been asking Seaman Mohan and Manukumar Jain, the Xiaomi India head, about the arrival of POCO F2 at every chance they got. And finally, POCO gave a heads up. However, based on the leaks and rumors, there's a chance that POCO fans will get to see a total of 3 POCO devices in 2020. Recently, an anonymous tipster sent images of POCO device to Rev Atlas. The leak suggests that the phone is dubbed POCO F2 Lite and comes with a dot notch similar to the Redmi Note 8. The POCO F2 Lite is said to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 processor and backed by a 5000 mAh battery. Earlier, another POCO device with the name POCO X2 was spotted on Geekbench with 8GB of RAM and running the Android 10 operating system. The phone was powered by an unknown processor codenamed as Phoenixon and managed to score 547 and 1767 in single and multi-core scores respectively. Seaman Mohan has only hinted at the arrival of POCO F2 and did not hint at the existence of other 2 devices, so we suggest that you do not get super excited about the POCO F2 Lite or the POCO X2.